Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos from iPhone. So if you accidentally deleted photos or videos from your Photos app or iPhone, still you have the chance to recover them in just few steps. So first of all, just open up your Photos application here and then just delete something to demonstrate this tutorial. Let's say I'm going to delete these photos here. So I deleted two photos here. So let's see how I can recover them. So if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you will see these options here. You can see this option here, recently deleted. You have to tap on it and then you will see all your deleted photos here. Remember one thing, if you delete something from your Photos app, those photos will be stored in recently deleted application for 30 days. Photos and videos show the days remaining before deletion. As you can see, some of them are 29 days, and if I scroll down, you can see some of them 8 days, 10 days. So all these days will be showing how many days after it will be deleted in that folder as well. So now if you want to restore them, you have to tap on it and you can see this option recover. Just simply tap on this recover and those photos will be recovered on your Photos application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe